Welcome to YK Wonders. This is Ganesh from Bangalore. Okay. In this video, we are going to discuss the concept of ratio. The ratio between two quantities A and B is represented by the symbol A is to B. Okay, we call that symbol as is to. Okay, so that's the colon. So A is to B. Okay, so you should read this as A is to B. Say for example 3 is to 5, 1 is to 4, 3 is to 1 and so on. So what does this imply? What is the meaning of this? So ratio is used to compare two quantities. So need not be two. So you can compare more than two quantities also. So for example here 1 is to 4 means, see, if the first quantity is 1, second one is 4, or in other words the second one is 4 times, say 4, correct, 4 is first quantity is 4 times the second quantity is 4 times the first one. So here 3 is to 1 is in this case the first quantity is 3 times the second quantity. Okay, even 30 is to 10. Even in this case, the first quantity is 3 times second quantity. Okay, that means both represent the same ratio. Yes, see, if we simplify this, we'll get the same ratio. Okay, see 30 and 10, see both are divisible by 10. So if we divide 30 by 10 we get 3, if we divide 10 by 10 we get 1, so 3 is to 1. Okay, so even say 9 is to 3 also will give the same ratio, 3 is to 1. So for example 9 rupees and 3 rupees, 9 kg, 3 kg, say 30 rupees, 10 rupees. Okay, so all will give the same ratio of 3 is to 1. Okay, which means the first quantity is 3 times the second one. Okay, even here see 3 by 3 is to 5, that what does that mean? So if a 3 here 3 is to 1, suppose you write it as a fraction, then becomes 3 by 1, which is equal to 3. Okay, so that much, that means see we saw the first one is 3 times the second quantity, correct? So in other words, see here, so in this one first quantity, say similarly, okay, here if you get the write it as a fraction, you get 1 by 4, which means first quantity is 1 by 4 times the second quantity. So here 3 is to 5, the fraction is 3 by 5, so which means the first quantity is 3 by 5 times the second quantity. So in general A is to B means the first quantity is A by B times the second quantity. Okay, let's take some example. Okay, in a stationery shop, the cost of pen, say it's 12 rupees, and cost of an eraser is say 3 rupees. So what's the ratio between these two costs? 12 is to 3. So if simplified, because both are divisible by 3, we get 4 is to 1. So as I said, the first quantity is 4 times the second quantity. That's what it means. See, their first quantity is what? Pen. See, the cost of pen is 4 times the cost of eraser. So that's why we get the ratio 4 is to 1. Okay, let's say cost of 1 kg of banana is say 30 rupees. The cost of 1 kg of apple is 120 rupees. Okay, what's the ratio between the cost of apple and banana for 1 kg? See, 120 is to 30, isn't it? If simplified, so you will get the same ratio. See, 4 is to 1, isn't it? So even in this case, the ratio between pen and cost of 1 pen and 1 eraser also 4 is to 1. Here 1 kg of apple and banana also 4 is to 1. Okay. So from the ratio we cannot make out what the actual cost. So we require more information to find the individual costs of apple and banana or pen and eraser. So how to find that? Okay, suppose the question is say ratio between the costs of 1 kg of apple and banana is in the ratio. Okay, the ratio between cost of, they'll say this is 4 is to 1. Okay, and the cost of 1 kg of apple is rupees 120. Okay, so what is the cost of say 1 kg of banana? So this is a question. So that means ratio between cost is given and cost of actual cost of one of the quantities given. So we need to find the cost of the other one. So how to find this? Okay, see what the ratio given? Ratio is 4 is to 1. So whenever say ratio is given, see we can take say 4 represents the cost of 1 kg of apple, and say second one represents the cost of 1 kg of banana, isn't it? So we can take actual cost as say 4x and x, or for any variable, or 4k and k. That means say it's a multiple of certain multiple of that variable. Okay, say for example, the two quantities are in the ratio say 3:5. We can take the first quantity as 3x and second quantity is 5x. Similarly, if the ratio is say 7:3, we can take the first quantity as 7x and second one is 3x, or 7k and 3k. Okay, any variable you can use. So likewise here, okay, let the cost of 1 kg of apple be 4x and the cost of 1 kg of banana be x. 1x is x, 1 into x. Okay, but what is what the other information that we have? Okay, we know the cost of see 1 kg of apple is 120 rupees. So let's use this information. So here what is the 1 cost of 1 kg of apple? 4x. So it's given 4x is equal to 120. Okay, which means x is equal to 120 by 4. So which is 30. So we now we have found the value of x. Correct. So now we can find the value of other one. So which is banana. Okay. So what's the cost of banana? Just x. So x already you have found. So therefore, say cost of 1 kg of banana is rupees 30. Okay, so okay, similarly let's take let's say cost of 1 kg of tomato and say carrot. Okay, in the ratio let's say 3:5. So in that case, so the ratio, suppose one of them, say either the cost of tomato. So if you know cost of tomato, we can find the cost of carrot, or if you know the cost of carrot, we can find the cost of tomato using this ratio. Okay, let's say we know the cost of 1 kg of carrot. Okay, suppose it's given that the 1 kg of carrot so is rupees so let's say 25 rupees. So kg of carrot, 1 kg of carrot is 25 rupees. So now using this, how to find the cost of 1 kg of tomato? Okay, as I said, okay, let the cost of 1 kg of tomato be 3x and carrot 5x. Okay, So but we know cost of carrot is 25, so which means 5x is equal to 25. So which means x is equal to 25 by 5 equal to 5. Okay, we have found the value of x. So using this you can find the cost of 1 kg of tomato. What is the cost of 1 kg of tomato? 3x. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15 rupees. So cost of 1 kg of tomato is 15. So let's say two numbers okay, are in the ratio 5:12. And if the difference between these two numbers is 21, so difference is 21, so find the numbers. So how to begin with? So let the two numbers be five x and 12x. Okay, what is the difference between these two numbers? Okay, its given difference is 21, correct? They have given it. So here what is the difference? 12x minus 5x. So that's the difference between these two, correct? So that's equal to 21. So 12 minus 5 is 7. So 7x is 21, which means x is equal to 21 by 7 equal to 3. So now we know the value of x is 3. So the numbers can be found. What are the two numbers here? See, we have taken the numbers to be 5x and 12x. So therefore the numbers are see 5x, say 5 into 3, 15, and the other number is 12x, 12 into 3, 36. Okay, so these are the two numbers. So you can verify, say what is the difference between these two? 36, difference between 15 and 36, it's 21. Okay, it's correct. Okay, so this is how we find, see we use ratio and find the unknown values. See, like that it can be given, say one of the values can be given, you can find the other value, or some of the two values can be given. So using the ratio we can find the individual values, or differences can be found as we saw in this last example. Okay. See, same question can be asked, if suppose we add these two numbers, what do you get? 15 plus 36 is 51. So the question can be like this, is same ratio, it says the two numbers are in the ratio 5:12. Okay, and the sum of the numbers is 51. See what are the two numbers? So same way, select the two numbers be 5x and 12x. So sum is what? Sum is 51. So therefore 5x plus 12x equal to 51, which means 17x equal to 51, which means x is equal to 51 by 17, which is equal to 3. Okay, therefore the two numbers are 5 into 3 and 12 into 3, say 15 and 36. Okay, hope it's clear. Let's see more in our next video. Thank you.